Hey friends, let's create some cute little mushroom coasters. Before that, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you do not miss out any of our updates. Now coming back to the tutorial, today we are going to make some cute little coasters. Now if you want to start on the subtitles, please click on the subtitles button and you can read the captions all on the complete video. Now today we are going to make coasters. Here I'm using the rice paper from ITT collection, and today we are going to make some cute coasters. So yes, of course you need to first trim down the design which you want. So after doing that work, here I have taken up my chalk paint, acrylic paints, and I have mixed it really well, and I'm going to do a beautiful coat work. Now I have already traced the coat which I want, and meanwhile if you just want to check out our website for all the shades of chalk paints, please do that. And yes, here I am done with writing of my text, and it's such a cute and a beautiful coat. Be positive. Now using my heat gun to dry this out, once I'm done with it, I'm going to stick my cute little mushroom rice paper. So yes, these are like super cute. I could not resist myself from using this. So here I have first applied my decoupage glue. You can even use your Mod Podge. Once I'm done with it, then I'm going to stick layering my mushroom rice papers. You can check out all our tutorials and details on our Instagram, on our YouTube, on our Facebook too. So yeah, coming back to the tutorial, so I really wanted to have something very quirky, very funny, and very cute, very something which a very good message. So I just thought having a coaster with a good coat and some cute little mushrooms is going to be just perfect for my dining table. Now here, once I'm done with the removing of the extra layer, I'm just going to do some color blending. Now please, for this, please do use your chalk paints only. Do not use your acrylic paints, you will see the difference later on. So chalk paints are like really matte. They are just perfect for your decoupage art. They are just perfect for any of your creative artwork. And like I said, you can check out the color collection on our website at growingcraft.com. Now moving on to this, whenever you're doing your color blending technique on your decoupage art, be it on your wood or your plastic or your tin or any of your surfaces, you can add a lot of water to your chalk paints to just give it a little more of watercolor effect. Now when I say watercolor effect, it is more of like using your chalk paints as an alternate to your watercolors. Why? Because chalk paints last really long. They are so good with your bases. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to do my massive stamping. So here I have picked up the dot stamps. This goes really well with my mushrooms and everything, and I'm just creating a beautiful background with this. So yes, once I'm done with this, my coaster is ready. I am going to put in 2 to 3 layers of varnishes, and this is done. So this was a very quick tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know your feedbacks in the comment section, and enjoy crafting, enjoy shopping, and take care. Bye bye.